all the basics of using your Squarespace website. All right, so if you purchased your domain through Squarespace, it will connect automatically to the site you built. But if you purchased your domain somewhere else, like GoDaddy or Google Domains or Namecheap, something like that, you'll need to connect it manually to your Squarespace site. And if you're not sure what your domain is, it's your website's URL, like the www.greatsite.com, that address. Now, Squarespace does provide detailed instructions on how to connect third-party domains from a lot of popular sites. So if you have bought your domain from one of these, you can just follow these instructions. But since you're here, let's take a look and see how to do it. So what you'll want to do is go to Settings, Domains and Email, and then Domains. Now, just one quick thing I want to mention to you, Squarespace moves around a lot of their menu options and they kind of do it without warning. So if you're watching this video and you're like, oh, that's not working for me, what I want you to do is hit the / button on your keyboard and it will bring up this little search menu and then just type in domains. Okay, so you can either do either one of these and it will take you to the same menu. So also this will work for anything that you can't find. Just hit that / button and then it will take you to whatever you're trying to find. Just a quick little life hack for you. All right, so go into domains and then use a domain I own. And then you're going to enter your domain here and hit enter. And then you're going to let Squarespace recognize it. So you've got a couple options, either transfer domain or connect domain. Transfer domain means removing it from that other platform, in this case GoDaddy, and then moving it completely to Squarespace. So Squarespace would then own that domain. It also means that everything you need to do to manage this domain would be done from inside Squarespace instead of over on GoDaddy or whatever other platform you're using. But you can only do this if the domain is supported by Squarespace. If it's not, you'll need to choose the connect domain option. Now you might be saying, how do I know if it's supported by Squarespace? Well, what you probably did is come over here when you were building your site and search for the domain that you wanted, right? Now you can see this one is unavailable because it's already owned by GoDaddy. It's not telling you because of that, but it's saying that it's unavailable, right? So this is how you know that it can't be purchased through Squarespace. Does that make sense? I hope so. All right, so coming back over here, we're going to choose connect domain. And now if you've purchased your domain through a popular platform like GoDaddy, Squarespace might be able to help you connect your domain. So you'll see this get started button if that's the case. And then what you would need to do after that is just provide Squarespace with your login details for your domain platform. So like in this case, you would need to enter your login details for GoDaddy. Okay, so if you don't see this get started button, then you'll see a pop-up menu where you can choose your domain provider or click other. And then after that, it will take you to a DNS settings page that looks something like this. Don't close this. What you'll want to do is open a new tab and then log into your domain provider's site. Then you will copy and paste the DNS settings from Squarespace into the DNS settings area in your domain account. So once you've done that, you'll just need to wait for the domain to connect to Squarespace, which can take up to 3 days. So you might have to be a little patient. And remember that adding a domain to your website doesn't make it live. You'll still need to purchase a Squarespace subscription and then set your website to public in order to do that. So if you're wondering how to set your website to public, you can come over here to Settings, Site Availability, and then change it to public once you've upgraded and purchased a subscription, or password protected. And again, if that has changed, hit that / on your keyboard and type in site availability and it will take you to the same place. All right, now go update your website and let me know in the comments what other things you're interested in learning about Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.